So this video is to show you how to set up your correction assignment for the T2 Quest 1 that we took right before break. And this is a required assignment. No matter how well you did on it, nobody got a perfect score. And so the way you set this up is you go into your Delta Math, like I've done for me. It's got Honors Calc 2 Quest version 1 and 2, and then it's also got version 3 and 4. So depending on which version you took, you need to do the right one, because otherwise you'll end up doing the wrong problems. So I took version 1. Here's my data here. So I'm going to do the version 1 and 2. And so I'm going to look to see I got the first question, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth questions right. And so I got full points on all of those, which means you plug in the points lost. So I lost 0 points for all these. So I'm going to plug in 0, 0, 0, all the way up through 8. I got 0 lost. Now I'll go back and look at my assessment. On question 9, I got 2.5 points right. Well, we need to round these because the computer doesn't do well with decimals. So I'm going to round this to 2 and say that I lost 8 points. So here for question 9, I lost 8 points. Then I got the next set of questions right. I believe I missed 16 or 17. Let me go check. I missed 17 and then 20, 21, and 22, and I got no points on those. So I lost 10, and then I lost 10 more here, here, and here. Now the next important piece is that we get the test grade right. So what we do is we count up the total we lost. So we lost 8, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's a total of 48. So I do not put 48 in here. I put 212 minus 48. That's where people have been making their mistakes. 215 minus 48 gives me 167. So in here, you're plugging in the total you got correct out of 215. The best way to get that, just to make sure, is you count all the points you lost, and then you subtract that from 215. So 215 minus 48 in my case gives 167. To make sure you're right, you hit initialize test correction. Notice I'm all set. For this topic, I'll have 2 questions to do. For this one, 3. For this one, 1, 1, and 2. And it all depends on how many questions that you missed out of each section and how I set it up. This assignment is due on Friday, and it will be 75% of your quest grade. The other 25% will be your original score. So if you do nothing, then you'll just be left with your original score, number 1, and for the new assignment, you'll have a 0. So make sure to do this assignment. Even if you did well, you won't have that many to do, but it will count as its own assignment because it's a great way to review for the 2 weeks that we've had off. Reach out to me if you have any questions, but I think this will go well for you. Make sure to watch the videos and to look at the answers on the original quest. Like when I look at my original work, I missed question 9. This will tell me what my answer was, what the right answer was. I missed 7. That was a vertical tangent. When I go back and look, oh, I see it's 7. I missed this vertical tangent. We're not differentiable at a vertical tangent because our slope is undefined. So we can learn a lot by looking at the key for the questions that we missed before we start the correction assignment. Good luck, and again, come to office hours, come to class, ask me questions anywhere you want in the chat, and I'll get with you. Have a great day.